Okay, hello guys, so I've got some stuff today. I have my Apink Japanese singles at last. Woo. Okay, so before that, I just want to show you some stuff. So I got Kate Wong's Time photo card, which I got last week. I got it from a trade with my Yoso photo card. So yeah, it's one. And for I got another copy of Jian's mini album Type A, and unfortunately I got the same card for this one. So if any one of you have the other card for the Type A, the one that she has the balloon and the red background thing, and you want to trade for this one, please let me know. So yeah, I'll probably buy more copies, I don't know. Okay, so main one is Apink's Japanese single, so I'm going to start with the number one, then I'll do Type B and Type A. So that's NG's cover, questions and bias. Oh, has a CD. Oh, she is. It's pretty. Oh, okay. That's a photo card. NG. And that's lyric, and I guess that's the ad. The lyrics from NoNoNo and My. So that's for the member edition. Okay, oh yeah, by the way, this is the OB. This one. Okay, then there's the edition version B. Okay, that's the OB. Okay, it's a CD. It's pink, very pretty. And the DVD, it's white. Okay, now let's record. Okay, and that's the booklet. And a group shot. And Jin Hyang, my first bias and second bias. Oh, sorry. Bomi, Chorong. Now in Namju. Lyrics. And yeah, that's for version B. And that's the ad. You get the bit. Okay, and the photo card I got is the group card, which I'll probably sell it because yeah, I'm not collecting groups. So yeah. Okay, now Type A. Yeah, that's the bonus premiere. That's the OB. Namju, Bomi, and Hyang on it. That's the. Yeah, push it all out. Oh, hold on. Another cover. Very cool. And that's the mirror, which I don't think I'm going to take it out because I think most of you have seen it. Yeah. That's a CD version. And CD, it's peach in color. And DVD, it's white. Oh dear. Okay, here's the book. Wow, very nice concept. Sunji, Bomi, Hyang and Chorong Namju. Hyang and NG, my two biases again. Na and Bomi. Chorong Namju. Group picture first. very pretty. And the crowded sandals. So yeah, and that's the ad. It's blue this time. And the photo card I got is, oh my god, I got NG. Okay, so I already have this card because some of you may know I already bought this card before, but I'll probably keep this one and sell the one I currently have. So yeah, I got NG. So now that's it for the cards for this time. Got a good card, NG, and this NG. So I basically completed my NG set. So yeah. Right, so that's all. And yes, this is a portrait for the other type A version for the photo card. So yeah. And of course this skip one card which I got last week. So yeah, thanks for watching and look forward to more unboxing soon because Apink is gonna come back, and I'll have some unboxings here and there too. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.